Jolup gavanas koro dwaro mondo medgi teko e bwo katiba mondo gin bende gibed gi ting' kod bajet moluongo nying-gi e tend kaontis. Kane gichopo e nyim komiti mar Senate mochung' ne weche mag sirikand mag loch gwenge, jolup gavanas go ywak ni chik oketogi e lwet gavanas ni ema koro nyaka pognegi tich, ka moko kuomgi to kale matek e lwet gavanas ogogo. Simfros Okinda miyo ler mar wachni.
Riwruok mar jolup gavanas koro wuok ayanga mar dwaro mondo gin bende omigi ting' moyangi kod katiba kendo ketnegi bajet mondo gin bende ginywak lwede gero kaontis. Kane gichopo e nyim komiti mar Senate ewi loch gwenge, jolup gavanas go dwaro mondo ketnegi bajet margi mabiro luongo nying-gi kendo gibed kod ting' kaka mano mar tayo committees mopogore e od bura mar kaontis.
What now we are saying, the DG is high above level. It is to the level of a governor. Or what we are saying is chairing of those subcommittees. There is absolutely no conflict of the DG and the CS.
Jolup jotend counties go olero ni sani gionge kod ting' moramora ka tich moramora made gitim oket ewi governor mar mondo miyo migi tijno kata obedo ni osara to ichulo gi matara.
Article 32, if you look at it, what it says, it is you deputize, and probably you only take the functions of the governor when he is not present, or when he assigns. If he does not assign, it means the deputy governor stays without any job or anything to do. There are those counties that are working well and others are not working well. If we could have honorable members, the bare minimums, such that even if it works, if it doesn't work, they are the bare minimums that protects and dignifies the seat of the deputy governor for this nation.
Gimedo bende ni bedo maonge ting' oketo gi maweth kendo miyo inyalo riembgi e tich sa asaya ka gidwaro mondo migi ting' mochuno mabiro miyo kom mar jalup gavana bende miyo luor. Jalup gavana ma Siaya William Oduol en achiel kuom jolup gavanas moseneno chandruok e lwet MCAs kod gavana mare kowacho nyaka sani kata mana romo ma chik oyiene betie ok onyal chopie.
Even after the Senate recommended that we go back and work in Siaya County, I have never been invited to any of the cabinet meetings. At some point, I attempted to go as you are suggesting, and the governor unleashed goons on me, so I am not able to attend.
Here comes a scenario. A communication is done during the night, and tomorrow you're supposed to be in the cabinet. It can only be fruitful, even if from a point of preparation itself, so that you can be of value to the CCM, to the executive.
Kato bedo ni Senate oyiere kod moko kuom kwayo mar jolup gavanas, jotelo go koro mithuolo mondo chako non matut ting' ma katiba ochiwo negi gie sani eka Senate obi ochiw duoko ewi rido kata manyo kaka inyalo konygi.
We have been with Oduol, with the Trans Nzoia, with Nyandarua, and Nyandarua, your honorable chair, in several functions, state functions where members of parliament have been. You can imagine a governor sending a personal assistant in a function where 10 members of parliament, the Speaker of the National Assembly, yours truly, the senator is there, and the governor can send a personal assistant to represent him. It is demeaning.
We know what they are going through, and we know the amendments they have proposed are okay if it doesn't contravene the Constitution. So let's discuss this matter.
Simfros Okinda, Ramogi TV.